Okay, so today I'm working on my 24 Honda Transalp. This is a center stand for it. Inside, just briefly, right here there is a rubber stopper that needs to be inserted. I'm just going to lubricate it with some soapy water that I have and try and get that in there. It took a little bit of work, not bad. All right, I'm going out to the bike where we'll throw this on. Okay, so we're out at the bike. I have the center stand thrown underneath it. Full disclosure, I have not looked at the instructions for how to do this. I watched a video a couple weeks ago of somebody else doing this. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and see if I can figure it out. Kit comes with the 2 springs. The one with the rubber boot goes on top, as in facing up that way. Comes with a Allen head screw. We'll call that the axle or swing arm, or I don't know, axle. And then it's like a spring retainer of sorts. So, I guess I could show you this, hopefully. So right here is where that provided screw is going to go in. I guess I'll see if this...
Tight squeeze on mine anyways.
Probably put some... You know what? I'm gonna take a quick pause. I'm gonna put some grease on this. Okay, so should have paid better attention to that last video. This is a pivot point, doesn't need to go behind anything. Anyways, touch of grease here too, because like I said, it pivots. And then I ran inside and I grabbed some Loctite for our bolt. So that axle or pivot bolt for the center stand. Okay, and that is a 5mm Allen. Okay, and then I don't know how well. Just put some grease in there. And then right above where the kickstand mounts, there is a pivot.
Okay. Get behind the camera and not knock it over.
Wow. And I guess we got to do that again with another spring.
I don't think you guys can see what we're working with here. So we need some stuff. Wow.
Let me grab the old, not a pry bar here. And yeah. This seems silly. Wow, what a pain. But we did it. I don't know how well you guys are seeing that, but it's on there. Okay. So, pretty fast install, minus me. Okay. Okay, so there we go. 2024 Honda Transalp. Newly added center stand. If you stuck it with me this far, really appreciate it. Trying to upload more. I don't know, if you like it or found it entertaining, hit that like button. Appreciate it as always. Stay tuned for more. Got more accessories to throw on this bike. And I'm always working on stuff that is, motor and wheel related. So, thanks again.